As you guys already know, my locks were damaged because of box ties, and last week I shared a video showing you how I tried to fix the damage using henna and indigo. Now initially I was excited with my results. I really love how my locks feel. They feel so good, they feel so soft. But like I said in that video, that excitement did not last long.
I don't think I like it because I feel like
so many things happened afterwards, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly what happened and where we are today. So when I woke up the next day after my henna indigo process, I did not like what I saw in the mirror. My locks looked brown and dusty and dirty, and they also felt dry and crunchy. So in my head I felt, okay, if I just darken it a little bit, then that would be fine. So I decided to go ahead and do another round of the indigo process, just indigo, no henna.
So I went ahead to do another round of indigo, and this is the result.
As you can see, it looks much darker than how it was before, and because my locks were still wet, it felt great. So I thought I had fixed all my problems, but I was so wrong.
This is the next day after my second round of the indigo, and this is what my hair looks like in daylight. It feels, I don't know how to describe it. It feels dry and soft at the same time. And when I run my hands in my hair, I haven't actually washed my hair since I did both the henna and the 2 rounds of the indigo. So I haven't washed. I just rinsed with water, and when I run my hands through my hair, it kind of stains it a little bit. There's a little bit of bluish tint in my hand, but this is what the color looks like under daylight. So I have just in front of my window. So this is it looks, the color is kind of blackish, bluish blackish, but there is an undertone of red or like ginger. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really subtle. But right now my hair looks dull. I know that this is normal from my research. I know that it's normal for your hair to feel dull when you first do this, and then once you wash your hair it's going to get shiny. But yeah, when I wash my hair I'll show you what it looks like after washing. And another thing I want to add is when I shake my hair, I see like dust coming out, so I know that that's the residue of, you know, the henna and the indigo, and that will go eventually. I'm done washing my hair for the first time since when I started this whole process 2 days ago, and this is what it looks like. My hair, I decided to show you in natural light so that you guys can see. My hair doesn't look black. As you can see, there are certain layers that it's basically more like a dark brown tone. I don't know if I like it. When I was doing this whole henna, people said henna will help your locks to look shiny, it will look shiny, it will look shiny. I don't think my hair looks shiny. I don't think it does, but on a second thought, I think it does look a little shiny. I don't know. Let me show you guys in normal light. And this is what it looks like in front of my soft box. I don't think I like it because I feel like what brought me to this point was trying to take the brownish tint out of my hair, and now we've gotten to a point where it's it's the brown is more now than how it was when I wanted to take it out, when I started the whole box dye process. But anyways, I guess this is going to force me to get used to having brown hair. The thing is, I've always had black hair and I feel like black hair goes, like, my natural hair color is deep black, and I feel like that goes with my skin tone a lot better than brownish hair. If my hair doesn't look as black, I feel like I look a little sick. That's why I don't like it, but maybe it's just in my head. Anyway, I'm going to have to learn to get used to this.
I was trying so hard to like it, but all I could think at this point was, oh my gosh, I've ruined my hair.
Now this is what it looks like in daylight. You can see I have streaks of brown. I know some people would really love this, but I don't know. I don't think I'm a fan.
There was no pep talk I did not give myself on this day, but nothing worked. I felt really bad. I felt like what brought me to this point in the beginning when I started dyeing my locks was because I didn't like the brown tint I got from the sun, and now it had gotten worse. I felt so bad that I went ahead to give myself a haircut, and this is the result of the haircut. Because I just feel like life gets better when your locks have a shape, and because of all the locks that I cut in the past, my locks the shape was gone, so I just felt like giving myself a reshape would help, which I actually think it did a little, because after I gave myself the haircut, I felt a little better. This is all the hair that I cut off.
This is the most hair I've ever cut while shaping my locks, and that's because of damage I have many uneven locks.
Now, regarding whether the Henna Indigo helped solve the problem, like if it helped fix the locks that were previously damaged, it didn't. I found that I had to let everything go, and this is the next day after the haircut when my locks were dry, and you can see it looks really nice. And at this point, I thought I had fixed all my problems. But eventually, I realized that there was more to come. By the next day, this is what my locks looked like. So this is me just in front of my window showing you what it looks like in natural light, and as you can see, it looks pretty dark, so the color wasn't a problem eventually. When you come closer, like when I bring my locks closer to the window, when you have light shining on it, you can see that there are some locks that are brownish, but it looks a little bit more blended now after 24 hours. This is 24 hours after the previous clip I showed you, and you can see that it looks even darker. It looks really dark and really nice. At this point, I feel like as the time went on, it looked darker, and the areas that were brown looked more blended. So the color was a lot more blended and natural, which I really loved. So if you're someone who is thinking about getting your hair darker or getting your locks darker from sun bleaching, I would say that you can look into using henna if the color is just what you're looking out for. However, one other thing I noticed was, despite the fact that it looked nice, it was darker, it was fine, the color wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, I had dryness. So my locks felt crunchy and dry. It did feel dry, and I tried everything, but it just seemed like it wasn't working. So in the next video, I think we've gone too far here, so in the next video I'll actually show you what I really did to get my locks feeling soft again. So at the final clip that you guys see here, it looked soft. It doesn't look as dry, but it actually did feel dry. So I'll tell you what I did to get it feeling soft again, and yeah, see you in the next one.